Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change your residential address on Amazon, specifically for digital purchases. Before we start, if you want to check out some Amazon tools or deals, you'll find the links right under this video. Alright, first things first, open up your browser, head to amazon.com and log into your account. Once you're in, hover over the top right menu that says Accounts and Lists and click your account. Now, scroll down till you see a section called Digital Content and Devices. Amazon likes to shuffle their menus every few months, so if you don't see it right away, look for anything that mentions Devices or Digital Settings. Click Devices, then go to the Preferences tab up top. This is where they hide most of your digital stuff, including your region info. Next, scroll until you find Country and Region Settings and expand it. You'll see your current country listed. Just hit Change. From here, type in or select your full address. That means your name, street address, city, province or state, zip, country, and your phone number. Once that's all filled in, click Update. And that's it. Your new address is saved for digital purchases. Quick note though, this setting actually controls which region your Kindle store, Prime Video, or even Audible account uses. So if your address is off, you might miss out on region-specific titles. Once you've updated it, Amazon automatically refreshes your region settings, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. Super easy fix. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if anything looks different on your screen. Amazon's always moving stuff around. See you in the next one.